Right then, let's talk food. By 2050, there'll be nearly 10 billion people. That's a lot of mouths to feed. And we already waste about a third of all food. Madness. But don't worry, clever people are on it. They're using technology, amazing gadgets and new ideas to help us grow more food and waste less. Our old ways of making food are struggling. Traditional farming uses loads of land and water. Sometimes it just can't keep up. We need fresh thinking, and that's where tech comes in. Let's explore these brilliant new food technologies. Some of it sounds like sci-fi, but it's happening now, all aimed at making our food better, for us and for Earth. It's exciting stuff, so let's dive in. Come on, you're gonna love this. Traditional farming takes up loads of space. Forests get cleared, habitats are lost. We need smarter ways to use land and water. Farming is thirsty work using massive amounts of fresh water. Pesticides and fertilizers can pollute rivers. Food often travels thousands of miles, burning fuel, losing freshness. We can do better than that. And the waste? Heartbreaking. Perfectly good food gets binned at every stage. From farm to supermarket to our homes, it all adds up. That's food that could have fed people. This really has to stop. Smarter solutions are needed, simple as, let's see what's possible. Let's talk solutions. Proper clever stuff. First up, vertical farms, growing food upwards in city skyscrapers. Super fresh local, using less water and no soil. Then there's lab-grown meat. Real meat, no animals needed. Less land, less water, fewer emissions. It's early days, but it could be huge for the planet. Our kitchens are getting smarter too. Smart fridges suggest recipes and help use up food. Smart ovens cook things perfectly. Less waste, more taste. And smart packaging with sensors tells you if food's still good. No more chucking out perfectly fine yogurt. It's common sense powered by tech. The future of food is clever and tasty. Imagine all this tech working together. Vertical farms supply local restaurants with the freshest greens. Your smart kitchen helps you cook it perfectly. Less waste, more efficiency. A whole new food system. Fresher food means more nutrients and less travel. Maybe one day food will be personalized to your needs, all while being kinder to our planet. Eating could get even more exciting. New ingredients, new flavors. Technology helps us learn about cooking and nutrition. Good food becomes accessible to everyone. That's a future worth cooking for. Technology isn't just shiny gadgets, it's about better food for all. A delicious, sustainable future for everyone. Lovely jubbly, that sounds proper good to me.